Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me and Wyatt. Just Wyatt's here right now for another video. Wyatt, can you say hi? I guess not. Alright, so I have a unboxing for you today. My FabFitFun Style Box came for July. FabFitFun Style has been in beta for some time. And I've been getting it. It has been at least a year, I believe, that I've been doing FabFitFun Style Box. I get it every month. It's a $15 styling fee. Keep everything, get 25% off. You get 5 items. I will put my information down below in case you would like to give it a try. I think you just have to, send them an email. I'll put the information down below on how you can request to opt in. Here is the inside of my box. You always get information from your stylist, as well as a little note from your stylist, which my stylist is Lauren. My stylist has been changing frequently. I don't think I had Lauren last month. You always get a price sheet. And let's see. Oh, it looks like I got a purse in here. Let me get out my bundle. Looks like a bag. Here's my bundle. And I got a gift. That's everything. And you always get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. It does go FedEx ground. This is the only one that does FedEx. So what should I do first? Let's do the purse, since we kind of got a glimpse of it. Looks like a blush color, doesn't it? What do you think of this? Not bad. The color is very pretty for summer. It's got little compartments here. It's vegan leather, it says. And who makes it? Antique Craft. So it does have little pockets. What's this? Nothing. It says enhanced packaging. Okay. It does have 2 pockets right inside there. I like the little snake print on the inside. It has a bigger zipper pocket on the other side. And then it has the zipper compartment in the middle that does go the whole way down. And of course it does have the longer strap. If you wanted to go crossbody with it, you could. So I do like that feature. It's not bad. The color's nice for summer. Okay, let's do the bundle. First up, Collective Concepts. Ximenia Side Tie Woven top. It's like a little peplum style. That's not bad. Yellows, reds, white on a black background. Cute. Next up, by Willow and Clay. Oh, this is a dress. So this is a little side tie dress. It is a true wrap. The little flutter bottom. So it's white. It does look like it is lined. It's like an off-white with this watercolor flowers on it. And a cap sleeve. That's pretty. Next up, by Lemon Tart. This is a cold shoulder top. In a navy with white and black on it, it looks like. Super stretchy. And last up is a pair of jean shorts by Cut From The Cloth. These are the Catherine Boyfriend in a size 2. These might be a little bit big, especially because they're boyfriend. but I like the cut from the cloth jean shorts usually, so we'll have to check these out. All right, and then my gift, let's see what this is, which usually you get to keep as long as you keep one item. And generally you want to keep one item to not lose your styling fee, right? Oh, let's see if I can open this. What is it? What is it? It is Kate Somerville, Skin Health Expert, Exfoliate, Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, it says. I do like the Exfoliate, this Kate Somerville products. I'm using a face cream right now by her, and I love it. So, so this is an exfoliating treatment. So I like this. You leave it on for 2 minutes and then rinse it off. Nice. Okay. Let's see what my stylist has to say. She says, hello Laura, welcome back to FabFitFun Style. I'm sorry you only found one thing in your previous box that you fell in love with. I've included some great transitional pieces that I really hope you'll love. I started you with our Catherine Boyfriend short, which are a great relaxed fit of short and are the same great brand as the boyfriend jeans you kept a few boxes ago. Paired with the Ximenia Side Tie Woven top, you have a cute summer outfit for day and night. The Marin Floral Wrap dress is great for a nice day out with friends and family. The Amya Floral Cold Shoulder Stretch Modal top is a crazy soft, simple, and easy to wear with anything. Finally, I included the Melina double handle satchel bag, which is a super pretty color and has a classic style that will go with just about any outfit in your closet. I cannot wait to hear what you thought of your box. Please feel free to share a Pinterest style board or let me know if there's anything you are on the hunt for. Hope the rest of your day is extra stylish, Lauren. Okay. And just to cover the total price of everything is $297. Oh, and the selling fee is $20, not $15, $20. So if I were to keep all five, it's $297 minus the 25% off, and the $20 would be $202.75 for all five. We'll go over individual pricing here in just a minute after the try-on. I will be right back. So first up, I have on the jean shorts and this little blouse. It does actually have a snap right here on the front, which is nice. And then it is a true wrap. So it does tie here, and it has some bagging right here, which I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Maybe from the side, it kind of, I don't know, has some maybe like blousiness to it. Maybe it's supposed to, but it does snap here, which I love. So that's really nice. It is a cute blouse. I think it fits nicely. Aside from this, I'm not sure what to do with this kind of blousiness right here. The jean shorts are nice. I do have some room here in the waist, which I've expected since they're boyfriend, but it doesn't seem to be sticking out. It seems to lay nicely, and I like a nice boyfriend short. So these seem to fit nicely. They're not tight on my leg, which is nice. They're a nice length. All good in a jean short for me. So here's the whole outfit. Top does have a bit of the peplum look to it. I think the colors are nice. I'm just not sure about this blousiness right here. And then we can look at this purse with it. Give you another look at this. Let me zip this shut and snap it. So here's what it would look like as a crossbody. Or if I just put all this in here, it's not bad. It's a cute little bag. Okay, let's do another outfit. Okay, so next outfit is the cold shoulder t-shirt, which first off I have to say this t-shirt is super soft, very comfortable. I like the v-neck. As far as cold shoulders go, this one is probably one of the nicer ones. Very nice. I did a front tuck and I like it. I'm just not sure I want any more cold shoulders. I do have some and I'm kind of over that look. But as far as a cold shoulder top goes, I think this one is a nice one. It's a very nice soft material, really soft, really soft. I wish it was a tank top, and I think I would love it. And I just did a casual look with flip-flops. I still have my jean shorts on, and I think this is a very nice top. I'm just not sure I can get on board with this. All right, let's try on the dress. Last item is the dress. So, while I like the idea of this dress, I'm not sure I can wear it. First of all, there's no attachments here, so I feel like this material is super silky. It's very pretty. I get a little bit closer, you can see the watercolor prints on it. It is a little wrinkled, which I think is going to be one of the problems. I don't mind the flutter here, but this is a true wrap, so I think that's one problem. It does have a lining, but I do think if it's a windy day, I could have a problem. This is a thin, lacy tie, which I feel like it could slip, is the second problem. This is not attached by anything other than this, so that is going to be a problem. But I think the dress is very pretty. I just don't think it's going to be practical for wearing it. I think it's going to be one of those dresses I'm constantly fidgeting with. So even once I ironed all this out, I think it will wrinkle easily, and then I think I'll be fidgeting here, and then I'll be worried about it blowing open. But I think it's a very pretty dress. Alright, so I'll give you one more close-up look. And then let's do pricing. Okay, so overall, not a bad box. I thought my stylist did very well, so good job, Lauren. But let's talk pricing. So the purse first. So, a cute bag. It is $62. It's the Melina double handle satchel bag in blush, $62. If I were to keep if I liked everything else, I would not mind keeping this bag. Right now I'm leaning towards not keeping it because I don't believe I'm keeping everything in this box. But I think it's a cute bag. I just think I have too many others that I do not need this. Next up, the Ximenia Side Tie Woven top. That's this one, $58. I thought this was a very cute top. I just wasn't sure about why it was bagging on the one side. I think it was from the tie coming over, but it just seemed to have some extra room in it, so I'm not sure about this one. The Amya Floral Cold Shoulder Stretch Modal top, $40. That was this one. And I really wish that this was just a tank top because I actually really liked this top. It's so soft. But I'm not sure that I can get over the cold shoulder. The Marin Floral Wrap Dress, $68. I think this is such a pretty dress. I just don't think that I can wear it. I think it would be too much effort to try to wear this dress. What did you guys think of this? I love the watercolors in it. It's so pretty in the pattern. And then the Catherine Boyfriend shorts. These are $69. by Cut from the Cloth. These I liked. If I was going to put my styling fee towards something, I think it would be one of these. I'm leaning towards the shorts. I really wish the dress fit me better, like it was, you know, would stay in place, because I really liked it and it was different. So that's where I am. Let me know what you all thought of this box and what your favorite item was if I was going to put my styling fee towards something. But overall, not a bad box. I really wish the wrap dress fit better. That was probably my favorite item. But the boyfriend shorts, I would get wear out of, right? They're just an item that you like to have on hand. But all 5 items, $297. The buy all discount was $74.25. The styling fee $20, $202.75 for all 5 items. Not bad if I was going to keep everything. I will list all these items down below in case you want to check any of them out with your stylist. I will put my link down below in case it's not a referral link, but I will put the information down below in case you want to check it out and try to give FabFitFun Style Box a go. Thanks so much for spending some time with Wyatt and I today. Wyatt's still here. He's looking at bugs. Wyatt likes to come outside and chase bugs. I would love if you hit that like button. I would like it if you would stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. We so appreciate it. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye.